Ways the Mediterranean diet can benefit men's health. For decades now, the Mediterranean diet has been touted as the gold standard diet to ward off extra pounds and disease, but the coastal diet has a few lesser-known men's health benefits, as well. Risk of colon cancer drops. According to the American Cancer Society, colorectal cancer is the third most common cancer diagnosed in American men and the second leading cause of death. Although there are many factors, diet has a big impact on your odds of developing colorectal cancer. According to research conducted by the European Society for Medical Oncology, after surveying 800 people, the researchers found that those who had advanced colon polyps reported eating fewer components of the Mediterranean diet than those with clear colonoscopies. Colon polyps are dangerous because they are precursors to developing colorectal cancer. Including at least 90 grams of whole grains a day can help slash your colon cancer risk by 17%, due to the high fiber content. Keeping your fiber intake high is important, since regular bowel movements have been shown to minimize your chances of developing cancer-causing mutations in your digestive tract. Remember that diet is not a substitute for screening. Regular colonoscopies are the best way to detect cancer early and potentially save your life. Ward off or reverse erectile dysfunction. That's right, the Mediterranean diet can help keep erectile dysfunction, ED, at bay, and it all starts with your heart. Heart disease is a common cause of ED because once plaque starts to form and build up in your blood vessels, blood flow is decreased and even blocked in some vessels. Research from a study published in the International Journal of Impedance Research suggests that eating a Mediterranean diet can work to reduce inflammation in the body, increasing blood flow. After 2 years on the diet, 1/3 of the men in the study with ED regained normal sexual functioning. A colorful diet, like the foods in the Mediterranean diet, is not only pleasing to the eye but can also be beneficial for your eye health. The American Academy of Ophthalmology reports that Mediterranean diet staples like dark leafy greens, oranges, peppers and sweet potatoes are eye health superfoods due to their high antioxidant levels. A study also states that people who eat just one serving of fish a week have a 31% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration at an early age. In addition, adding 1 or 2 servings of nuts per week is also associated with a 35% lower risk. Both are due to the high levels of omega-3 fatty acids found in those foods, which have been shown to protect your retinas from cell damage. Your kidneys function more efficiently. Your kidneys are some of the hardest working organs in your body, so keeping them running efficiently is vital. Unfortunately, chronic kidney disease affects more than 30 million Americans, which can cause high blood pressure, bone or heart disease, sexual dysfunction, and kidney failure. But the Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce the risk of developing kidney disease by 50%. Researchers believe it is due to the diet's anti-inflammatory benefits since inflammation is a big contributor to chronic kidney disease. A memory that stands the test of time. Researchers in Australia looked at 18 different studies examining the Mediterranean diet's impact on cognitive function, and they found that people who stuck with the diet experienced slower rates of age-related cognitive decline and decreased their risk of Alzheimer's disease. To add to that, the diet was also associated with better memory and attention. How to live Mediterranean? Need some help kickstarting your Mediterranean diet? Try these 5 steps to incorporate more of the coastal diet's essentials into your daily routine. 1. Add a handful of nuts as a healthy snack. 1. Try almonds, walnuts or pistachios, which are packed with protein, fiber and omega-3s, but fewer saturated fats. 2. Swap out your cooking oil with healthier alternatives like soybean, olive or canola. 2. Adding these oils to your salad instead of creamy dressings can be a simple and easy way to get in some healthy fats. 3. Eat 3 to 6 ounces of fatty fish, like salmon or cod, up to 3 times a week. 4. Increase your vegetable intake to at least 2 servings a day. 4. Adding a drizzle of healthy oil can help you increase your healthy fat intake from tip number 2 while also increasing your vegetable intake. 5. Meet with a Texas health nutritionist or dietitian to help you start your diet appropriately, make sure you're getting a varied, healthy mix in your diet, and help you stay on track. When it comes to diet and nutrition, it seems like the only thing that all experts can agree on is that there is no universally accepted consensus about the best diet to follow for optimal health. There are so many schools of thought about which foods should and shouldn't be eaten, how to best lose weight, what ratios of the different macronutrients to consume, and so on, which is why the Rolodex of popular diets is extensive and ever expanding. From paleo to vegan, Whole30 to keto, the bevy of diets is not only diverse but also contradictory, with some popular diets demonizing the very foods and nutrients highlighted in others. Compared to many of the other popular diets, the Mediterranean diet is also one of the most well-studied, research-backed eating plans, with plenty of evidence to substantiate disease-mitigating effects and health benefits, and it consistently places among the top 2 or 3 diets in the U.S. News & World Report annual ranking of best diets. Mediterranean diet stands out from the crowd and warrants consideration if you're looking to overhaul your diet to improve your health. If you've never heard of the Mediterranean diet, or need a refresher on what specifically it entails, keep reading for our introductory guide to the Mediterranean diet, which will help you learn all the basics you need to start eating well and feeling better. For example, eating whole, ripe tomatoes would be preferred over canned tomato soup from concentrate or even canned tomato puree. Though the Mediterranean diet is plant-centric, fresh fish is encouraged and eggs are permitted in moderation. The majority of what you eat should be vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, fresh fish, nuts, and olive oil. Though far from an exhaustive list, here are some of the best foods to eat on the Mediterranean diet. 1. Vegetables: spinach, kale, chard, broccoli, broccolini, artichokes, zucchini, cucumbers, onions, cauliflower, tomatoes, peppers, technically fruits. 2. Fruits: pears, apples, melons, oranges, berries, lemons, figs. 3. Tubers: turnips, potatoes, sweet potatoes, rutabaga, kohlrabi. 4. Legumes: lentils, beans, peas, peanuts. 5. Whole grains: buckwheat, whole wheat, rye, brown rice, whole oats. 6. Nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, cashews, flax seeds. 7. Legumes: beans, peas, lentils, pulses, peanuts, chickpeas, etc. 8. Fish and seafood: salmon, mackerel, sardines, scallops, mussels, clams, trout, tuna, shrimp. 9. Healthy fats: olives, olive oil, avocados. 10. Herbs and spices: basil, oregano, mint, garlic, cinnamon, pepper. 11. Water. 12. Red wine. 13. Unsweetened tea. 14. Coffee. The following foods can be consumed in moderation, perhaps a couple of times per week. 1. Poultry: chicken, turkey, duck. 2. Dairy, cheese, plain yogurt, milk, kefir. 3. Eggs. Red meat can be eaten very sparingly, maybe once a month. Most processed and packaged foods are not allowed on the Mediterranean diet. Essentially, the shorter the list of ingredients on the label of the food, the better. The following categories of food should be avoided. 1. Refined grains: white bread, refined pasta, bagels, cereal bars, pastries, English muffins. 2. Processed meats: hot dogs, sausages, lunch meats. 3. Sweetened foods: ice cream, jelly, oatmeal packets, most boxed cereals, Pop-Tarts, candy, juices, sodas. 4. Refined oils and trans fats: canola oil, soybean oil, margarine. 5. Artificial sweeteners. 6. Diet foods: low-fat cookies, sugar-free jello, light ice cream. 7. Breakfast: overnight oats made from whole oats with a topping of Greek yogurt, mixed berries, slivered almonds, and a sprinkle of flax seeds. 8. Lunch: grilled mixed vegetables over bulgur with a drizzle of olive oil and pumpkin seeds. 9. Dinner: large salad with a blend of spinach and arugula, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocado. 9. Feta cheese, and a small fillet of salmon or sardines. 10. Dessert: fresh peach.